picture we are going to work on. So now before you start anything, there's one thing I want you to take note. There's something at the top here. It's called layer. This is our layer. So you click this sign, this plus sign. You just keep clicking it. You keep clicking on it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then you click like this. Can you see it? Then you now start. Then you come to this direction. You choose your brush. You click on this thing. You choose your brush. Now we are going to make use of the painting brush. This paint brush here, we are going to make use of it. So when you click on this paint brush, you come here, then you start your work. Now before you start your work, you go to settings. Now as you can see, now the opacity here is 100, then the size is what, 1.0. So now you come back to your library. Then we are going to make use of the paintbrush for our drawing. Now we are going to draw the head. So now this is how to draw it. Now as you can see, now this image is very small. So me, I will advise you that you should enlarge the picture. Enlarge it the way I enlarge it, with your hand. You enlarge the picture, then you start drawing. Now as you can see, now you follow the process. Don't draw another thing. Just follow the shape of the hair. As you can see my own now. As you can see now, then you follow the shape of the hair. Then you come here. Can you see it now? So now as you can see now, can you see it? That's how you are going to do it. So you come here again, you do the same thing. You follow the shape of the hair. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you come here, you are going to do the same thing too. So that's how you are going to be drawing it. You follow the hair. Make sure you don't draw another thing. Follow it. That's how you are going to draw. Like now, this one now, I went to go and draw another thing. So you come back to here, you press undo. Then you continue drawing. Continue drawing. Can you see it now? Undo. So as you are drawing, you'll be adjusting your phone so that you'll be able to draw very well. You won't be able to draw rubbish. So now that's how we roll. Do it and make sure the thing join. Undo. Now as you can see now, I've just drawn my own hair now. As you can see now, then as undo. Then now you now go back. This thing now is not well drawn now. So you go back, you you click on your soft eraser. Let's assume that you want to clean some parts. You click on your soft eraser, then you press the cancel. Then you come here, you clean it. Can you see the way I'm cleaning? You clean it. You want to adjust this thing. Then you go back to your paint brush. These are paint brush. Then you join the line together. Can you see it now? Then this side, so I want to adjust, I want to clean it. You use your soft eraser again. You make sure it's adjusted to 5.0. Then you clean this side. You clean it with your hand. Make sure you do it very well. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you click on it, your paint brush. Then you draw it again. Can you see it? Use your cleaner again. Clean this side. I want the line to join each other so that it won't be as if you are just manipulating haircut. So now use your paint brush again. You join the line. Can you see it now? Then join this. You use your cleaner again. You clean this part so that it will make sense. Then use your paint brush. This is my paint brush. Then you draw it. Now as you can see now, I've gotten the shape of the hair. So now if you want to check, then you make sure you check it very well. This one now has not been well joined, so you use your cleaner again, you clean, then you join the line together. You use your paintbrush, you join the line together. So as you can see now, I've joined my own together. As you can see now. So now for you to check maybe this thing is correct, then you go back to your layer, you click on this one. So when you click on this one, you go and you press this thing, this small circle that look like high shape. You click on it. So as you can see now, there are some places that you did not join well. I did not join well, so I join it again. As you can see now, so I've joined it. Now I think it's okay. This one now is okay by me. It's okay by me. Then you go back, you unclick it again. Now you now start painting. So if you are painting, you paint with black. Let's assume that the hair is brown now. You paint with brown color. But according to this one now, this person hair is black, so you paint with black color. So if you are painting, you click on this small circle here. You click on it. When you click on it, you see it. Since you are making use of black before, then you increase your pencil. If you want to increase, you increase like this. If you want to reduce, you reduce like this. So if you are increasing, you increase by swiping to the right hand side. Then if you want to reduce, to the left hand side. Do you understand? Now like now, me, I want to increase my own now, so I'm diverting to the right hand side. So if you want to increase, you increase like this. Then you start painting. So now please, if you are painting, make sure that like this one now, this is how you click. So now you don't paint on the shape, the something that you have done. So you have to click on another layer. So as now this is the shape of the hair. So I have to leave there, go to another layer for my painting. So don't paint on the shape, paint on another layer, please. Kindly note this. Then now let's start our painting. So as you can see now, I'm painting my own now. You start painting. And if you are painting, you be careful. You don't just paint anyhow. Make sure you don't paint anyhow. Just paint carefully. Follow the shape of the head. Don't paint another side again. So that's how you be painting it gradually. Though you don't need to rush. It's not something that you just start rushing. So you have to take time and paint very well so that you get accurate results. Now as you can see now, I'm painting my own now. So you are going to do the same. You paint your own. You choose any picture. Then you paint the head. Then you send this thing to me for correction. So as you can see now, I'm painting the head already. So you follow the line. You don't make sure you did not cross the line. Follow the shape of the head. Because clients at times they will send you picture, they want you to do exact. So you have to draw exact thing for them. You don't have to draw another thing, so that they will not complain that why is this picture different from the one you sent to them. So now that's why you have to follow the shape of the head. Now as you can see now, I'm following the shape of the head. Now I'm painting using my paintbrush, and I'm painting with black color because the hair is black. So I'm painting my own now. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Just make sure you follow the distance. Can you see the way I'm painting it? So now there are some places that you have to reduce the size of the brush. If not, you won't be able to paint it very well. So now as you can see now, you have to reduce the size of the brush. But now I will soon reduce my own now. But I want to first of all paint some part that the brush can paint. So that's how you are going to paint the head. It's very easy. It's just that you have to be careful when painting, so that you're not going to paint another thing. So that's how you are going to do it. You paint it. You follow the shape of the hair. Follow the shape of the hair. So that's how you are going to paint it. Actually, the reason, as you can see now, I'm following the shape of the hair, so I'm not diverting at all. I'm still following the distance. So make sure you follow the distance, the shape that you just draw, so that you not go and draw another thing. Make sure your job is neat when drawing. Don't just paint anyhow. Paint like a prof. Paint like a pro rather. As you can see now, see the way I'm painting it. So you paint carefully. Make sure that as you are painting, the thing is within that line. So don't go and paint another part of the hair. They come to the other side, so you turn it, you paint this side too, the same way. Make sure you follow the step very well. You can increase it as this one now. You increase it, paint it, as you can see. So as you can see now, I'm done painting now. It's very easy. I'm done painting the head now. You go back to this your layer here, this side, then you come here. Can you see it now? It's something that shows that we have painted the head. Now for you to check maybe this thing is correct, you have to try and close this image to see what you have done. Can you see how perfect it is? Then if you notice, if there's some place that you have not yet painted very well, you can just paint it. You increase the size, then you paint. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like now, as you can, this side there's some white this thing here, then you paint. There are some places you check, maybe if there's some places that you have not yet painted, you paint it so that it will be neat. Your work will be neat. Can you see now? There are some. I can see some white this thing. You try to do it. Try to paint it. As you can see now, I'm doing my own already. So you do the same too. There are some places that you did not paint. Maybe probably because your hand did not reach here or you did not know. So that's how you are going to do. You keep on painting it, gather small. You don't need to rush it at all. So that's it. Can you see it now? See now, I'm done with it now. Then you go back to this your layer. As you can see, this one that look like kite, you click on it, then you unlock this thing. Now it will show. Now you now go back to where you draw your this thing. Now as you can see, this is what we just draw now. This is what we just draw now. So now you click on it. When you click on it, you see this duplicate. You duplicate this your drawing. So you press duplicate. Can you see it now? You come again, you duplicate it. You come again, you duplicate it. Now into 4 places. As you can see now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first one you name, you are going to name it. You press this blending. Blending is, you can see blending and normal. So you press this blending, you name it. You name it soft light. As you can see, soft light. Then you come to the second image. When you name it soft light, then you come to the second image. Then you name it linear dodge. Can you see linear dodge here? You click linear dodge. Sorry, there's something I've sorry. So now you go back to your layer. So now this one, I told you before that you duplicate into 4 places. 4 places. Make sure it's up to 4. Then this one, you name it soft light. You search for this soft light. You click on soft light. Then you press this star here. You click on it. Then this one, you name it. You come to your normal. You click on normal. Then you name it linear dodge hard. You click on it. You cancel. You press this star. Then you come here. You are going to name it. You name it color. Go back. You name it color. This color. Then you press this star. Then this one, you are going to name it multiply. That's it. So now the way I normally identify this thing, I name it SLCM. This one starts with X letter. That's the soft light. L stands for linear dodge add. Then C stands for color. The M stands for multiply. So I normally name it LCM, XLCM. Now you now click on, you now start clicking, adjusting the distance, the opacity. Now this multiply. Now you adjust the opacity to maybe proper. Let's make it like, okay, let's leave it at 11. Then you come to your color, you adjust it to, let's say, okay, to your own distance taste. Let me just leave it here like this, 12. Then you come to your linear dodge, you adjust to any distance, to your own taste, the one that you prefer. Okay, let me leave it at 23. Then you come to your soft light. Okay, let me just adjust it. Let me just leave it at, let me just leave it here like this. Then you can come to your multiply. It shows that you can just leave it like this. So come to your color. If you want to increase your color, can just leave it like this, yeah. So as you can see now, if you are okay with this type of shape, with this type of color, the way I do it, you can do your own the same thing too. You can increase the length like this one. Now my soft light now is 82%, my linear dodge is 23%, then my color is 0%, then my multiply is 29%. So you can leave your own any percent that you prefer, but me, I prefer it like this. It's okay by me like this. Then you are going to do the same thing too, but take note. First of all, draw the shape of the hair. You first of all create layer, draw the shape of the hair. If you are done with the shape of the hair,